Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add leading zeros to your numbers in your Google Sheet. So I have a sample here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to add 4 leading zeros to my number here. So I'm going to use text function and then select the number, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and the parenthesis, hit enter. Now you see that it is not reflecting anything over here because I did not add inverted commas. So let's add quotes here. So I've added 4. So make sure you add quotes and hit enter. Now you see 1 0 is reflecting over here because there were already 3 digits, so only 1 digit will be added post adding the formula. Now in the second example I have 2 digits. Now if I write the same formula, I will see 2 zeros and 2 digits. Let's write the formula, quotes 1 2 3 4 and the parenthesis. Now you see 2 zeros are here. So if I drag this formula for rest of these two cases, so it will be 3 zeros for both of them, but in my last case I have only 0. That's the reason the entire section as reflecting as 4 zeros. So why do we use this function in our real life is when you need a formatted ID or formatted number where you want to calculate, then you add this formula to make every column, every cell to be in a same format. Now I have another sample data with me, which is, so I have these IDs starting from 1 to going like 98,000. So it's look ugly and not in a correct format. So if I want to make these numbers as a clean format so that I can calculate it very easily, so let's find out like what is a higher number in this dump, which is like length of this character. So you can easily find out the length of any text. Just write len formula, sorry, select the text, enter, click OK. So the highest number from a customer ID is 5. So I'm going to add 5 leading zeros so that my entire dump will be in a same format. So double click on this cell and equals to text, select the text function, cell reference, comma, and then quotes 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm going to end the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, now it is automatically dragging the formula to remaining cells. So as you can see, it is looks cleaner and I can easily extract or calculate based on these digits. So this is how you can add leading zeros to your numbers in your Google Sheets using text function. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.